Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to channel for in-depth, unbiased product reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Eureka PowerSpeed Lightweight Upright Vacuum Cleaner, a model that promises powerful suction, versatility, and ease of use across a variety of surfaces. Whether you're looking to clean your carpets, hard floors, or even above-floor areas, this vacuum has a lot to offer. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. First things first, the Eureka PowerSpeed comes with an upgraded cyclone system. This system helps it handle everything from large debris to microscopic dust, which is especially useful for those who need to pick up a wide range of dirt and particles. The suction power is designed to penetrate deep into carpets, which is essential for getting embedded dirt, dust, and pet hair out of those tougher spots. When you're tackling carpets and hard floors, you need consistent suction that won't drop off after a few minutes, and the PowerSpeed promises that with its design. Now, let's talk about its versatility. The PowerSpeed is equipped with 5 height settings, allowing it to transition smoothly between carpets, shag rugs, and hard floors. That's a big deal if you have a multi-surface home, as you won't need to constantly adjust settings manually to get optimal performance. Its wheels are designed to move smoothly over hardwood floors, which helps avoid any scratches or gouges. Definitely a plus if you have delicate floors. Moving on to the weight, the Eureka PowerSpeed lives up to its lightweight claim. Weighing in at under 10 pounds, it's easy to carry around, making it a solid choice for those who struggle with heavier uprights. The lightweight design doesn't mean it sacrifices power, though. It still delivers a solid cleaning experience, despite its relatively light frame. The ease of use is further bolstered by the quick-release handle, which connects to the stretch hose for above-floor cleaning. That means cleaning things like curtains, ceilings, and even your car becomes a breeze. Included in the package are several helpful attachments: a 7-inch crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool, all designed to tackle hard-to-reach places. These tools are particularly useful when cleaning stairs, upholstery, or car interiors, so you've got more flexibility with how and where you use the vacuum. Plus, they conveniently store right on the vacuum itself, so you don't have to worry about misplacing them. One of the main selling points of this vacuum is its filtration system, which traps 99.9% of dust, dander, and allergens. This could be a game changer for allergy sufferers or anyone with pets, as it ensures that even the smallest particles are captured and kept inside the vacuum, rather than being released back into the air. This feature alone may make the Eureka PowerSpeed a great option for homes that need a thorough cleaning without compromising on air quality. Now, on to some of the more practical considerations. Like most vacuums, the Eureka PowerSpeed isn't without its maintenance needs. You'll need to clean the roller brush and belt regularly to avoid clogs, especially when dealing with pet hair. If the brush and belt aren't cleaned every couple of weeks, you run the risk of the vacuum malfunctioning, or in the worst case, smoke or belt damage. So, if you're a pet owner or have long hair in the house, be prepared for some routine upkeep. But let's not sugarcoat it. How does it perform in real-world conditions? During testing, the Eureka PowerSpeed performed admirably on hard floors, easily picking up fine dust and crumbs. It also excelled at lifting embedded dirt and pet hair from carpeted areas, with no noticeable loss in suction power, even when tackling some of the more stubborn debris. For those of you with pets, this vacuum does a good job at managing pet hair, although you might need to do a quick brush roll cleaning after each use to avoid tangles. Its above-floor cleaning capabilities were also solid, with the hose and attachments making it easy to reach high places and tricky areas like car interiors and upholstery. On the downside, there are a few areas where the Eureka PowerSpeed could be improved. The noise levels can be a bit higher than some other models, which might be an issue if you have sensitive ears or need to vacuum while others are around. Additionally, while the vacuum is lightweight, it doesn't have the most premium feel. The materials used are solid, but not as durable as you might expect in some higher-end models. It's also worth mentioning that it could use a bit more suction power on particularly thick carpets, where it may struggle with embedded dirt in more stubborn fibers. When it comes to value for money, the Eureka PowerSpeed is in the affordable range for upright vacuums, especially considering its versatile features and decent suction power. It competes well with other models in this price bracket, offering a solid mix of functionality and ease of use. Compared to vacuums like the Shark Navigator, the Eureka PowerSpeed stands out for its lighter weight and ability to handle both carpets and hard floors with ease. However, if you're looking for a vacuum that performs better on thick carpets or has a quieter motor, you might want to consider other options. In terms of build quality, while it's not the most robust feeling vacuum, it does hold up decently well for its price. The attachments are easy to snap on and off, and the brush roll is fairly simple to clean. Maintenance is straightforward, but don't skip cleaning the brush and belt, especially if you have pets. If you take care of it, this vacuum should last for several years, but it's important to be aware of its limitations if you're looking for something built to withstand heavy-duty use. To wrap it up, the Eureka PowerSpeed Lightweight Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a solid choice for homes with a mix of carpets and hard floors, especially for those who need something lightweight and easy to maneuver. Its strong suction, versatile height adjustments, and above-floor cleaning tools make it a great option for everyday use. However, its relatively loud motor and maintenance needs may make it less ideal for those seeking a quieter or more low-maintenance model. Still, for the price, it delivers great value, and it's a strong contender in its category. If you're in the market for a vacuum that won't break the bank but still delivers reliable performance across multiple surfaces, the Eureka PowerSpeed is worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Reviewsinsidetv. If you have any questions or thoughts on this model, drop them in the comments below. Be sure to check out the link in the comments box for more details. Until next time, stay clean, stay fresh, and remember, reviews are always inside.